This is going to be a video product review with the AIIYME dog dryer. This dryer has 4.3 horsepower, 3,200 watts in the stepless motor. It comes with a hose. It comes with 4 attachments that we see here. We have a power switch, we have a speed switch, we have a heat switch. This is like a commercial unit. This thing, it's not so heavy that it's uncomfortable, but this is very well made. This is a solid hair dryer for your pet. The nice thing about using a commercial dryer like this is that you get the speed. You're able to use air to blow the water out of their fur. Preferably when you're drying a dog or a cat, you don't want to use a lot of heat. You want to use very mild heat so you don't damage or dry out their skin. So you want a hair dryer that is really a blow dryer, and it's really blowing all the water off the fur, and then you go in and you apply some heat. Now I'm going to set this up so that you can hear how quiet it is. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description for this hair dryer. The temperature range for this is about 86 Fahrenheit to about 150 to 6 degrees Fahrenheit. The motor is 500 watts to 3,200 watts. It is a insulated metal case, so that's going to cut down on the sound that's going through the room. So it's made so that it will not distract or disturb your pet. The dryer has a hose that can extend to 78 inches. So let's plug this in and listen to the sound. I have the hose attached. It's very easy. There's a little ring around here. You remove it, you slide the hose on, and then you snap the ring back in place. We're going to press the power button. Very quiet. When it's on the lowest speed, it's very, very quiet. So you can hear this has an incredible amount of power if you have a very large dog with lots of fur. I think with a smaller dog or a dog that's very sensitive to sound, you'll want it on the low speed. You might want to use the nozzles that come with it. This is a comb type nozzle for a very furry coat. This is a narrow nozzle. This is a very wide and narrow nozzle. And then we have a little wider nozzle. Come here. Oh, does that feel wonderful? Oh, yes. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Someone's very happy. Look at that tail wagging. Look at that. Oh, yes. We're going to sit down and have a nice little blow dry over here. Look at you. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, you're a very happy lady, aren't you? Look at this. Look at this wonderful product. You can use this as a blower if you have something in your shop you want to blow some dust around, or if you're drying your vehicle, go outside, set this up after you wash the car. Use this to wipe off the bubbles of water on the vehicle. You will see all professional auto detailers use a dryer like this to blow the water off the vehicle and then dry it with the dryer. Wonderful product. Make sure you look for the affiliate link in the video description and order it. This is dog approved. She loves it. She wants more. Don't you want more? Oh, yes, you do. Yes, you do.